everyone. Myself Arkadip. I am from E19 hands-on 109 batch. So my topic is incubator. This is an benchtop incubator. So we are in IVF field where we just try to create mother's womb artificially. So here we can do the same thing but not in that way. We maintain here the temperature like our body do. It is 37 degrees centigrade and it has a air source that provide dry gas, and in dry gas we can see that three gas it contains, that is nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the mixture of three gases helps to embryos to grow. So in this incubator we generally culture the embryos for up to 5 days, so from cell to blastocyst stage, and the percentage that we used for 89% of nitrogen, around 5% oxygen and 6% of carbon dioxide we used for this benchtop incubators. And this incubator are two types. Generally it is a dry incubator, but we also have wet incubator which provides humidity for the embryos. So this is the lid, and this much space it's available to put our dishes here for culturing the embryos.
This is made of glass. So these incubators can have a direct opening like this, or some of them they have a glass opening, glass top. So it's a glass top. It's heated glass with heated surface. So you can identify the plate which you want to take out.
Okay.
And then you can open it like this quickly. That's advantage, and you can also make it into a humidified one by adding water below this. There's a plate here. You can put water behind it, and you can make it
wet incubator.
Yes. How about the temperature and the gas inflow?
It requires gas flow up to 15 to 20s, and temperature required for 37 degrees centigrade. Thank you. Any question regarding?
How is it different from the generation 3 incubator?
So anyone, what is the generation 3 incubator?
The generation 3 incubator will have a sensor to mix the gases and then provide them, and usually it has an oxygen sensor basically, and oxygen and CO2 and the balance of nitrogen, and the thing which goes bad in it is usually the oxygen sensor. So I think this model would be a more preferable one for us. Rather
for a beginner, it will have a very trained manpower with you. Yeah. Great. Anyone else? Any other questions?
Does it come in sizes?
Yes, ma'am. It may be big or more places available for your dishes.
So they can have 2 chambers, they can have 4 chambers, they can have 6 chambers, they can 8 chambers, they can have 12 chambers. So as you make bigger ones, the chamber size will become small and the size will become bigger. So remember, these incubators have got a quality where they can connect with each other like Diwali Christmas lights. And when you buy the bigger incubators, always buy with the Almirah, where we have stocks, where we have got, we can take them out and put them inside. That's the advantage of that. So I think that's all about the incubators. Anyone else?
So can you keep the box incubator also one above the other, if suppose somebody has to?
We can, but it should not be done because they are heavy ones and they will compress the lower incubator. And remember that the whole body breathes. The whole body will breathe. When you keep one over another, many people keep, and then you see there are screws here. Come, by putting screws here, we can put this one over this one. It's planned already. You can stack it up, but I think it's not the right way. And more than that, I have told you that nowadays they're moving away from these incubators altogether. But you can, you rightly said, and in the focus there are 4 screws kept here on which we can mount this one over this one. A very good question. Very sensible question. Good, all done. Shilpa, anything from your side on incubators?
Can you just show us?
Yeah, so incubators, as they mentioned, it has both, which we can have a CO2 incubator, we can have a mixed gas incubator. So accordingly, as per this, we in IVF system we use the benchtop is mixed gas incubator, And as so mentioned, it is very correct. As the size increases, there are more the size of the as you buy the more compartments of incubator, the compartment size decreases. And the best in the market is from K System, I guess, as of now. Yeah, so that is one of the.
No one is the best. All are good.
All are good, yeah.
All are good. It
All are
depends
good.
upon how good we are in our job.
Yeah.
So just remember that the message for all of you is that no system is better than another.
Yeah.
All are good until proved otherwise, and our experiences.
Yeah.
All medias are good. So please don't go from this academy having the feeling that one system is better than another.
Yeah.
I have seen all failing. I've seen all failing. So it depends
And
upon
all
how
are
you take
succeeding
care
too,
of
yeah,
them.
yeah,
Every
true.
child
True.
is every child is born very, very nice. It depends upon us how we groom our little kid.
Yeah, sure.
You change more. Some they need more diaper change.
Yeah.
Some they need more tender loving care. Some need kangaroo care. But all children have got capacity to become into Albert Einstein.
Yes, sir.
So
Sure.
please, a message for you is that don't go that something is better than another. We are not good in case we can't handle a media or anything. So there are bad embryologists. There are bad managers. There are bad doctors. Patients and incubators and media are all the same.
All, yeah.
Good?
Yeah,
Good.
sure.